DJI launches Osmo Mobile 4 with magnetic mounts at $149. DJI has today unveiled its latest Osmo Mobile 4 foldable smartphone gimbal stabilizer. The Osmo Mobile 4 comes with a rated motor and enhances the initial balancing capabilities of the gimbal. The Osmo Mobile 4 features a magnetic quick-release design. The setup consists of a magnetic phone clamp and a magnetic ring holder that attaches to your smartphone. It goes without saying that the ring holder also doubles as a phone kickstand. In terms of software, DJI has upped its game with dedicated modes for neat features. First up, there is a dynamic zoom mode that essentially replicates dolly zoom, also popularly known as the Hitchcock effect. Using it is as simple as switching on the feature and walking. The algorithm will take care of the rest to give you stunning visuals. Another handy feature with the OM4 is Clone Me, a panorama mode that creates one panorama shot from multiple images so that you can change your position by the time you shoot the second image. DJI's Active Track 3.0 enhances subject tracking. According to the company, the new version recognizes adults, children, and pets with higher accuracy. Moreover, the newly added flashlight mode uses a built-in sensor to recognize your hand movements and automatically adjusts the angle. The gimbal also retains the features from its predecessors such as gesture control, time-lapse, motion-lapse, hyperlapse, portrait and landscape positioning, slow motion, and spin-shot effect. The device charges through a USB-C port and lasts up to 15 hours on a single charge. In ideal conditions, completely charging the OM4 takes up to 2.5 hours. DJI has priced the Osmo Mobile 4 at $149. It is available to buy from DJI's official store and other leading stores such as Best Buy, Moment, and B&H Photo.